there, everyone. Today we are on the Emerald Princess. We're on the Crib deck, or deck 10. This is a passenger cabin deck, as you can see. And we're going to show you where your cabin is in relationship to stairs and elevators. Now, if you haven't seen us do one of these videos before, I cannot turn the camera to see every single number of every single cabin. If we did, you'd get seasick. So I'm going to call up the numbers and use my finger to point them out. Now, do us a huge favor. When you see or hear your cabin, leave a comment below, and when you're sailing on the Emerald Princess. All right, now, normally I would have started back there, but these decks haven't been completely wrapping around, so we're starting here in the back. 749, 751, 747, and then there's one down here. 753. Again, emergency exit. Crew door. All right, are we ready? Here we go. 745, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 709, 707, 705, 703, and this is right where we started, guys. Rear elevators and stairs. This one up here is 701, and we're jumping into the 600s. Crew door, 637, 35, 33. 31, 631, 629, crew door, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 615, 611, 609, 607, 605, 603, 601, jumping to the 500s, 537, 535, 33, 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 5.
509.
Did I say 5?
You did.
Yeah, sorry everybody, backing up. Again, on that side is 511. This side's 509, 507, 505, 503, 501, secondary entrance to midship elevators and stairs. Now into the 400s, 437. Here's yet another entrance to elevators and stairs, but it's still not the main one. 635, 435. 433, 431, 429, and here is the main entrance to elevators and stairs here at Midship. Okay. 427, 425, 423, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5, 403, 401, jump into the 300s, 333, 331, 29, 27, 25, 23, crew door, 21, 19, 17, 15, laundromat, 11, 309, crew door, 307, 305, 303, 301, forward elevators and stairs. Again, that was 301. Jump to the 200s. First, secondary entrance to elevators and stairs. And I see a door here. I just want to make sure that it's no cabins. It is not. Okay. Just making sure. All right, we've got 359, sorry, 259, Robert. 257, 255, 253, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 13, 11, sorry, there's no 13, 209, 207, 205, gets me every time. 207, oh sorry, that is 203 right there. This one's 201, into the 100s, 107, 109, 105, 103, 101, and this is a crew door, which we can go to the other side. These are crew areas, okay? Maybe we shouldn't have gone that way, but well, it doesn't say crew area, but it's definitely a crew area. All right, 106, 102, 104, and here we go. It should be 108, yes, into the 200s, 202, 204, 206, 8, 10, 12, 214, 16, 18, and 20, 22, 24, 26, 228, 230, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. One entrance to the elevators and stairs. Into the 300s, 302, 304, and again, rear elevators, I'm sorry, forward elevators and stairs. Again, forward elevators and stairs. There's a crew door right here. 306, 308, 310, 12, sorry, 310 is on this side right there. That is 312 behind us, 314, and a laundromat. 316, 318, seems like there's a laundromat on every floor. 20, 22, 24, 26, 328, 330, going to the 400s, 402, 404, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Main entrance to Midship elevators and stairs. 428, 430, 432, 434. Secondary entrance to elevators and stairs. 436 into the 500s. 502, crew door. 504, 506, 508, 510, 12, 14, and 16. 18, 20, 22, and 24. 26, 28, 30, 32. 534, 536, into the 600s. 602, 604, 606, 608, 610, 612, 614, crew door, 16, 18, and 20, 22, 24, 26, crew door, 28, 30, 32, 34. This one is 36 with a crew door. 700s, that is 702, 704, 706, rear elevators and stairs. 7-8, 7-10, 7-12, 7-14, 16, 18, and 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44. Couple crew doors here. 752. 750. Strange door. 746. All right, there you go, guys. There is your full 360 on deck 10. Let us know if you saw your cabin and when you're sailing in the comments below. We want to know. Until we see you on another ship or on another deck, be safe.